Welcome back, everybody. My name is Luis Minacho, and today I'm sharing with you 3 tips on how to draw small portraits. Let's get started. Let's start off with the most obvious tip. You need to have a sharp pencil. You can do that by either constantly sharpening your pencil or by using a mechanical pencil like I am doing. The reason why you want to have a sharp point is not because you want to add a lot of detail, but instead it's because having a dull point will give you a different texture than having a sharp point. In a small drawing, you don't have a lot of room for errors. Therefore, having a sharp point will also help you make sure you have complete control over where and what marks you're making. Tip number 2. Start off with the big shapes before you get into the small ones. Before getting into the details of the eye, the nose, or the mouth, just lay out a general outline. And then move on to filling in the big shapes like the cheek, the forehead, and everywhere around the eye. This will help you focus on what's important early on in the drawing. It is a lot more important to get the values correct in the big areas instead of worrying about the details in a small portrait. Once you have that down, you will realize that adding in an eye or a mouth or a nose will be a very simple value change compared to when you're working on a bigger portrait. Tip number 3. Only add the details that are absolutely necessary. There won't be any room for adding hairs to the eyebrows or the eyelashes or adding any creases to the lips. So instead, what you want to do is find the shape of all the hairs and you'll find the value and you'll lay that in instead. The same goes for the nostrils in the nose or the creases in the lips. I hope you found these 3 tips helpful. Thank you for watching, sharing, liking. My name is Luis Minacho, and I'll see you next time.